How to add Subnautica 2 to Steam library on PC, Microsoft Store, Xbox app version. 1. Open Steam, launch the Steam application on your PC, sign into your Steam account, wait for the library section to load. 2. Click Add a Game. Look at the bottom left corner of Steam. Click Add a Game. Select Add a non-Steam game. 3. Search for Subnautica 2. Check the list of installed programs. Look for Subnautica 2 in the list. Tick the checkbox if it appears. 4. Add the game to Steam. Click Add Selected Programs. Steam will add the shortcut to your library. Try launching it directly from Steam. 5. Create a desktop shortcut. Open Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Right-click Subnautica 2. Create a desktop shortcut for the game. 6. Browse manually if game is missing. Return to Add a non-Steam game. Click Browse. Select the Subnautica 2 shortcut manually. 7. Rename the game in Steam. Right-click the added shortcut in Steam. Open Properties. Rename it properly if needed. 8. Enable Steam Overlay. Open Steam Properties for the game. Enable Steam Overlay option. Save the settings changes. 9. Launch the game through Steam. Open Steam Library. Click Play on Subnautica 2. Wait for Xbox services to load automatically. 10. Use UWPHook if Steam cannot detect it. Download and install UWPHook utility. Scan installed Xbox Microsoft Store games. Export Subnautica 2 directly into Steam library.